Hey guys, hope y'all doing good today. So I have a big announcement to make. I recently launched my own private group called Data's Alpha Circle, and it comes with a ton of features, a ton of calls, courses, and more. So I'm gonna go over a quick summary of it so you guys can see exactly what the group consists of and the profits that we've made so far. If you guys wanna join, link is in the description or pinned in the comments as well. And we accept credit card and crypto alike. Now first, going over the group, so there's a lot of features here. As you can see on the start here page, we have a ton of different channels, ton of different topics, courses, etc. Even a health and performance section where you guys can learn about health, training, diet, mindset, book recommendations, quote of the days, and more. So like I said, guys, this isn't just a crypto group. Literally, this is for health, performance, crypto, and potentially stocks in the near future. Now, I also have an onboarding video, so it's going to tell you guys everything you can expect in the group. We also have rules and FAQs, an alert section where you can assign yourself alerts because we do have various calls, such as alpha alerts for the meme coin calls, altcoin calls, leverage calls, and scalp calls. And then we have the low conviction alerts where these are tokens that we're looking at and potentially they could have a high probability, but we still need to do more research. Therefore, it is low conviction for there. Now, also, you can become an affiliate of the group, so you can actually earn 30% recurring commission for everyone you refer to the group. So that's a way you can even make your money back before you even follow any of the calls if you're just referring people to the group. So that's another reason why we give back and another way we can help you guys earn more money. Also, we have a meet the team section, so you guys can check out the team and their background. We also promote Blowfin as a partner. They are the best non-KYC trading exchange, especially for leverage. We have a tutorial video on that, and also we have a bonus where you can earn 15% back whenever you sign up. Then we also have a Sigma trading bot. This is the best multi-chain trading bot around. Again, we also are partnered with them, so you can see exactly why it is the fastest and easiest to use. And then here we have announcements channel. So any big announcements, one of the recent ones was a giveaway that we had where I actually had 5 winners win over $100 USDT each. All they had to do was leave a review on the WAP page. And then before that, we had a few other giveaways as well. So we had one where there was an affiliate competition. So for those who actually referred people to the group, they got a one-on-one mentorship call and then a free 1-month membership. Others got dollar values of 200 USDT, 150, 100, and 100. So you can see we give back a lot in this group, guys. This isn't about just making calls. We also give back with these giveaways and the health and performance section as well. The next, we have market updates. I make sure to update you guys every day on these voice updates and even these text updates of what's going on in the market. So you guys are always informed of what's going on and you're staying one step ahead. So market updates is a great way. All you have to do is just go to this channel once a day and then you have a full overview of what's going on in the market as well as what I'm looking at with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. And the next is calendar. So calendar is a great way to keep up to date with all of the different live streams that we have. So you can see here, anytime there's a live stream that's coming up, we'll post it in here. Make sure you guys are ready for it. And we do have a lot of people that join these between 30 to 60 plus. And we go over everything. We also take questions in real time. So if you guys have any questions about charts or anything about the market in general, come bring your questions here and we will answer them accordingly. And then news articles. This is where we have multiple articles every single day, macro and crypto wise, and you can stay up to date with the latest news on there. And then for the live stream, so I talked about we host live streams. If you don't catch the live stream, we do have the recordings available as well. So make sure you guys are checking out these recordings because like I said, we want to make sure our members are always getting the up-to-date information, and these YouTube videos are unlisted. So you guys only have access to them, no one else. The next, we have the alpha calls sections. This is where we have a list of the active calls in the group, a list of the leverage calls in the group, and you can even see with the leverage calls, I mean, multiple profits that we've made here, right? And you can see even with Ethereum, we made some big profits, 54%, 34% hitting take profit 1 and 2. There's been a ton of profits that we've made with this group, guys. And again, we're always making calls in this group and we're always keeping you guys up to date. Also, we even have scalp calls channels where we make some profits. We actually shorted Trump and we got a nice breakdown on that. So a lot of people made some profits on that. We have altcoin calls. We have meme coin calls where actually you can see here, our meme coin that we called recently went up over 5x since our entry. So even our meme coin calls are very lucrative. And then even our low conviction calls, there are a lot of profits that are made with this. We called Tau actually, and that has been doing very well. So we got early on Tau, we got early on Hype, on Virtual. Guys, we got early on a lot of tokens. So you can see there are multiple different types of calls you can make, whichever ones you like, whether it's just leverage, scalp, altcoins, meme coins, or everything. Right? It's depending on how many different coins you can manage at once. But like I said, we are always one step ahead of everyone else. And then we do have our Alpha Circle chat. So we have active calls chat. So any calls that are currently active, and you can actually talk about them, right? Say we have an Ethereum long. Well, hey, talk about that. What should I, do you think Ethereum's going to go much further? Or, hey, should I move my stop up after hitting take profit 1? Whichever questions you have about our active calls, guys, definitely ask them in here, and we will definitely make sure that you guys get your questions answered. Then we have general chat, chart analysis, meme coin chat, airdrop chat, off topic, support chat. If any of you guys have questions on specific things for the group, maybe you're having a problem paying, or you want to know where something is, or how to adjust your notifications, or anything else, or even if you have constructive criticism that you want us to add features to the group, you can find that in the support chat. And then finally, the members wins chat. This, I mean, constantly people are posting their profits. I could literally keep scrolling up here for the full hour of this video and we would not be at the top. I mean, literally, you can see people are making tons of profits in here, and you can see just how much, and it's different people all the time, right? It's not just the same person. I mean, there's different people making profits, and we have all kinds of different calls. So that's why you have so many different profit pictures that are being shown. And so that's what I said, guys. You are going to make a lot of money in this group because of the opportunities that we give you. And it's either longs or shorts, right? It doesn't always have to be one or the other. But I mean, just scrolling up here, you can see how much profit that we've made, right? And we're still in the month of October here. And so you can see that there are a ton of profits to be made. So I promise you guys, you will love the group whenever you join it. There is a ton of money to be made. And then, like I said, we have a health and performance section as well in here. And so we have mindset mastery. So talking about things of, maybe your mindset, maybe you need to learn a little bit more or get more disciplined, or maybe if you're depressed, okay, how do you fix that? Nutrition and performance. Okay, maybe you need to work on what to eat. Maybe there's some diets, and maybe there's something that can help you with that. And so there's people in here that are pros in that. Training and recovery. So things of, okay, how many push-ups can you do? Or there's different workout regimens or things to help you get more sleep. Guys, there's everything we have in here, and then book recommendations as well. So here we post about some good books you can recommend. And also, like I said, if you have any books that you want to recommend, post them in here. I posted some of the books that I like at the very top of this channel, and we consistently post more because it's about growing as a community, not just yourself, but helping others grow as well. And that's what we're all about in Data's Alpha Circle. And then we even have quote of the days. This is where I'll post a quote literally every single day. So you guys, if you need some inspiration, some motivation, this is the channel for you. Literally go here once a day, check out the quotes, and you can even look at the quotes in the past, right? Like I said, I've been posting these every day. And so there's always something for everyone in this group. And then also we have resources for different courses, okay? Different trading courses we have on here. And this is something as well where a lot of people love these because we have a technical analysis course, and this is where you're gonna have multiple different types of courses, okay? You can scroll down here, you can see all the different lessons that we have literally on everything that is technical analysis. Introduction to technical analysis, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, introduction to indicators, trend analysis, understanding leverage trading, mastering emotions, creating a personal trading strategy. Literally everything you can think of, guys, in this course hub. We also have a risk management course, 6 lessons here for any of you guys that need help with risk management. Maybe you're losing too much money, or maybe you're blowing up your account. This is going to help you. Maybe you're getting scammed. This channel is going to help you. Watch all these courses. And also we have a scalp trading course. So one of our best scalp traders, he made a video on here of how he sets up his chart and his psychology when scalp trading, because as you know, scalping is going to be higher leverage and you're only in the trade for a short amount of time, maybe even an hour or less. So you can see how he trades. And we also have a PDF vault for different PDFs. It is an easy way for you to follow along with these courses. We also include some of the PowerPoint files as well. And also we have a one-on-one booking. So if any of you guys want to book a one-on-one call, you can go to this mentorship channel here and you can book a one-on-one call with myself. And for an hour, we can go over exactly, what you're holding in your portfolio and the plan moving forward and how you can become profitable. And lastly, we have the customer service and report section. So if any of you guys need to open up a ticket, you can just do so here, helping you out any way we can. And then also the report section, if there's any impersonators, you can report them in this section here. So as you can see, guys, there's always something in this group. We always have multiple calls, live streams, market updates, giveaways. I mean, literally everything you could want, we have in this channel. So make sure you guys check it out if you haven't. Like I said, we accept crypto and credit card, and this group isn't going anywhere. The big benefit of being in this group as well is when the bear market comes, we're going to be here and we're going to profit just as much because we'll be net short in most of our plays, and then we may even shift to stocks as well. That's what I mentioned, is we could also include stocks in this group, which I strongly believe we will over the next few months. And so, like I said, this is an everything group. This is not just crypto, it's also health and performance, eventually stocks. We're longing, we're shorting, we're providing giveaways, everything, guys. And it's a very, very positive group. There's a lot of positive vibes. There's very friendly people. We don't tolerate toxicity in this group. If anyone's toxic, I'll kick them out and I'll refund them. I have no problem doing that because it's about creating a conducive environment for everyone to learn. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's just a short preview of what's included in Data's Alpha Circle, and I hope to see you guys here. If you guys have any more questions, please leave them in the comments. Like I said, the link to the group is in the description or pinned in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you in the group.